Hello everybody welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma and today we will be seeing how to prepare Chonyadali mooliku or Sukhiyan. This is a Konkani recipe that I am following here. Chonyadali mooliku is usually served as a prasadam in most of the GSB temples. It is a sweet dish, and if it is on the day it is prepared, if you are consuming it on the day it is prepared, it will be crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. But if you store the mooliku for the next 2 or 3 days, then it will become soft on both outside and inside. So if you want to consume with a crispy nature which is more tastier, you have to eat it on the day it is prepared. Now coming to the ingredients, you need 1 cup chana dal, 3/4 to 1 cup sugar, or it can be as per your sweetness level, 4 to 5 number of cardamom, 10 teaspoon ghee, and for the batter you need 1 cup rice flour, oil for deep frying. First you have to wash the chana dal and pressure cook it well, adding just enough water required to cook the dal. If excess water remains, drain the water completely. Once the pressure has gone down completely, you can open the pressure cooker, remove the dal and mash the chana dal using a bottom of the steel tumbler. You can either make the dal to a fine paste by mashing or to a paste of slightly coarse consistency. If it is coarse consistency, you will get to bite small pieces of chana dal when you are eating the mooliku. Now heat a kadai, or even you can use a pan. If you are using kadai or pan, then see that it is hard bottom one. Then you have to add the smashed dal and sugar into the kadai. Once the sugar gets heated, you can see it becoming watery. You need not have to add any water to the mashed dal. Whatever water oozes out from the sugar is more than enough. Then you have to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee and start to stir it with a spatula. You have to keep stirring continuously. While stirring, each time you have to while stirring, you have to see that you add and give 1 to 2 teaspoon of ghee in between. Okay. Once done, you will see that the mixture has started to leave from the sides of the kadai and has become a paste. You can see it in the photograph. It will be somewhat light brown in color also. Now you have to add the cardamom powder and mix well. Now switch off the flame, remove it from the kadai. Remove the kadai from the stove and let it cool. Once the paste has reached the temperature that is bearable with hands, make small lemon-sized balls out of it and keep aside. While you are preparing the balls, you can heat a kadai with oil for deep frying. At the same time, you can prepare the batter. You have to take the rice flour into a container, add sufficient water so that it becomes consistent. It becomes potato batter consistency. Mix it well and keep that also aside. Once the oil is hot, you have to take one lemon-sized ball and dip it in the batter. Dip it in such uniformly so that it gets coated with the batter on all sides. Now gently slide the lemon-sized ball into the hot oil. You can add 2 or 3 or more balls into the kadai depending on the size of your kadai. Roast it well, flip it over and roast so that all the sides become light brown in color. Once you have roasted it, take it out from the oil, drain away excess oil using a kitchen towel. Now your Sukhiyan or Chonyadali mooliku is ready to be served. Thank you all for watching my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Please like, share and subscribe.